welcome to Wimpole Street Dental Clinic. My name is Christian Mel, and in the following video we would like to show you how to clean crowns and especially how to clean underneath bridges. So we do hope that you enjoy the video, and if there's anything you want to know or which is unclear from our video, please give us a call and book an appointment with our dental hygienist. Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, hello and welcome to the third part of our dental hygiene lectures, let's call it. In the first part we went through the theory, second part we shown how to brush the natural dentition without too many restorations, and in the third part we'll show you how to clean crowns and bridges. Here an example of upper jaw completely restored with crowns and bridges and implants, and the lower jaw with the exception of the front teeth completely crowns and bridges and implants as well. And you can see it with the red arrow, this is built up calculus tartar, however you want to call it, so bacteria calcified with magnesium calcium ions, and that can in the long term cause periodontal, that means gum problems. So we go through the video now. The precondition was we have brushed the teeth with the electrical toothbrush or with the manual toothbrush if you prefer. And of course the next step is, as you can see here, you go through every restoration, every interdental space you go through with an interdental brush, and so you have to make sure that the dental technicians do not close that space. You have to be able to brush that, and it should be tested before the restorations are placed. But of course when you replace teeth with bridges, then you won't clean all the surfaces with this interdental brush. So what you need is so-called superfloss, and the superfloss is a floss with a stiffened end which you can get through the interdental space. You can see that here, the stiffened end goes through. You need a little bit of practice with that initially, and then you come to the fluffy part, and the fluffy part goes on top of the missing tooth. So this is how you clean there, because in some rare cases build-up can happen there as well, and the build-up can lead to abscesses, gum problems, and so on and so on. So try to keep it clean with the superfloss underneath the so-called pontics. So thank you very much for watching that, and the third part, I believe, or the fourth part, I believe, will be about how to clean implants. So hopefully see you again in a second. Thank you very much for watching.